We live in a civilization now. Where we always protect it. Oh
my god, how am I dying?
Got an RPG here. Hey, we got an RPG! We got an RPG here!
Oh my god, they're playing Jockey K with that! Damn! No one else but him. Oh my god, oh my god, I cannot pee. No one else did it but him. Pete, what the hell?
Oh, this is you're the builder, right?
Yeah.
I went to world. Yeah, here's another piece of goo.
No, bro, you have my toe. Yo, he's kidding me.
Because Perfect the movie is coming out.
Back again.
It wasn't me, bro. I had with my Santa Claus.
Hold on. Alligator. Let me inspect your weapon if you have like the tracker thingy on it. Like that. Let me inspect it. Alright, you're good.
Get away from me. You said that. Yo, kill him. Damn.
What?
Oh.
Yeah, whose is this? Yeah, I did. Gator.
He's trying to help, alright? I'm trying to help.
Let the gator help.
Let me help. Bro, what the? Oh my god.
What the hell giggles this?
Was he using a needle glitch? He was such a fuck.
Mom, I'll tell you when to plug in my headset.
Like, you can't even be as soulless. Kill the third guy, he's killing me! Yeah, he has a gun!
Give me some money.
God, bro, what the?
Why are you killing him?
Stop trying to kill me.
I'm not killing you!
No.
You gotta stop.
Look! Better not do it again.
Dude, I'm not gonna do anything.
Mr. Beast, give me some money.
Wait, we can talk about this. No.
What you working on? What civilization are you on? Are you on that team or that team? Which team? Boy, you're gonna answer me next. I said, which team you on? Point to it. Are you on that team? Alright, good.
Come on. Go.
I might have accidentally hit somebody.
Who am I getting hit by, bro?
Bro, I had another one.
Hey, only the protector can stand on here.
One for like,
Get off.
right here. Oh no, sit down.
Only the protector can stand on it. Oh. Protector, are you the only one who can stand on that? Yes or no? Get off of that, bro.
Dude, I'm not doing
You're the
anything.
only one who's a weld up here, but get off.
Can't shoot anymore.
Wait, no, you're the builder. I went the world.
This is my team.
I'm hearing fighting.
I just gotta upgrade.
Everybody in the Santa guys here. Everybody root him. Root his gear. Root him. You ain't gonna do nothing. Put him in his stash. Put him in it.
I did.
Who's doing? Okay, guys, stop killing Santa.
Alright,
Yo,
listen. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Dude, who's
You're
doing
not
this?
allowed
Stop!
up there, okay?
Dude, stop! Sell something worth hundreds, 200,000, hundreds of thousands. Stop!
You're in a standstill. You're in standstill.
Right, guys, I'm gonna do some videos outside. Hey, whose team are you on? This team? Or oh. Okay, maybe I should stay away from him.
You're in
Hey, I'll stay away from you. I'll stay away from you, okay?
in standstill.
I'm gonna stay away from
Dude,
you.
is that you?
Okay?
Is that
Standstill.
you?
You're in slippery.
I let you get too
Who took the goop
close
from
just to
underneath?
wake up
That's
around.
okay.
And I can just to believe I'm no one. I just can't let you know. Boom.
Cat's abusing. Kitten is abusing a glitch. Kitten is abusing a
Can anyone here
glitch.
give me,
That's
like,
attacking
He's
everybody.
glitch abuser? Shall I report him to the Discord?
100,000?
Yeah. Report him to the Discord. He's doing that thing where everybody gets attacked. Report him for bullying. Report him for bullying.
Report him for bullying. No, I'm gonna report him on the support tickets. If you don't know what that is, if you even have the Discord. Oh, my VR isn't that hot.
I'm not evil. He's greedy, man.
That wasn't me. I still have both.
That's my taco.
It's more like a burrito, but
Oh, I don't feel so good.
I let you get to
Everybody report it! Everybody report Blue Kid. Report Blue Kid. He's abusing a glitch. Report him for bullying. Report him. Shut up, kid.
Kill blue sign with nothing on. He's destroying the floor. Blue sign with nothing on.
I do have things on.
Blue sign with halo and nothing else on.
Can I have a burrito?
What do you mean? I had more on.
Who's trying for me?
No, this blue sign. This blue sign.
I want to sign up
Give
for
me!
Oh my god, we're gonna kill you. Bro, he's escaped. Bro,
Yes!
I want to give you a burrito. No. Give me a second burrito then. That's a burrito. No, not him. Wait.
That blue sign.
It's that guy.
That blue sign.
Yep, I want to kill him. Kill him. Yeah.
Just to wake up around.
Where'd the goop go? Give me my other back. What you trying to do, bitch?
Dude, can you stop? Dude, stop. Everybody report.
No, you were destroying our build, so he just decided to kill you. Dude.
Oh, my bad. I thought you were somebody else.
He's over there. Blue sign is over there.
Alright, let's go get him.
Go.
Get him.
No, bitch, come here.
Man, this is
Kill the blue sign. Kill the blue sign. Cat, come on. Cat, kill the blue sign.
Never mind. Run!
With no
Run, retreat back to
momentum.
base.
I'm sorry.
Retreat back to base.
This is really and he's got a TV. Oh, I'm so sorry. Is this your house?
No.
I'm stealing it.
Well, because he was killing you because you were
Hey, that's the builders.
Yeah, but you still have to
Hey,
report.
I'll put it here.
Give it to the builder.
Glitch out the game.
Oh my. Reportable.
Builder.
Dude, you can get
Take
banned for that. You
that
can't just
thing
keep
off. I
doing
need
it.
that TV. No, take that thing off. That crashes people's
You can get
games
reported
and
for
makes
that.
No, it doesn't anymore. It used to, but it doesn't anymore. I don't hear that.
Prove it.
How are you guys doing?
Oh wait.
How are you doing?
No, mine didn't work.
Yo, put that with RPG ammo. Yo, wait, can I go?
Oh, you just
Thank
got
you.
access to the tower.
Report him. Kill him. Chop off his balls.
Stop off his
Wait, yo, wait. You,
Yeah.
oh, let me check it up.
Oh.
Yes! Kill the blue Scion, he's over here! Kill the blue Scion! Kill the blue!
Kill kitten. Kill kitten.
Where?
Hey, wait,
We're
main
back
friend,
in
Kill kitten.
I need you to keep out of sight. Whenever is needed to shoot, alright? I'll tell you the
Kill kitten.
structure of it all.
Hey, dude, I think the war is happening now.
Kill kitten.
Right.
Kill kitten. Kill kitten. Kill kitten.
I'm just here.
Can't believe in the world. Holy crap, I'm gonna die. I go to your bed. Okay. Gotta get down safety. Yes. Ugh.
Kids. Report him. What are you guys doing? You guys are freaking idiots.
Let me hit your
Oh my fucking god.
Report kitten, bro. What are you guys doing? Stop killing him and report him.
How did you fucking miss, bro?
Guys, report him!
Yo, kill him! Kill him, everyone! Everyone, kill him! Get the fuck out!
Cause he's bullying and he's abusing a glitch. That's report.
Hey, did I just hear hate speech?
Bro, that guy is trying to... Oh my god, she's doing it again. What is that? No bomb!
It's still under.
Yo, bro!
How did he do that?
You have
How
to
did he
put.
do that? How did he do? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I know. I was,
How do you do it? How do you do it?
I know I was talking to you, but I kind of need to kill you.
What? Dude, stop. I didn't even do anything to you.
But you're not on our team.
What team are you guys talking about? What team are you
That
guys
team
talking
over
about?
there.
That,
Cat's team, technically.
there's literally a guy that's abusing a glitch and killing everybody in the
That
game,
is
and that's reportable, and you guys are not reporting him. What are you guys doing?
Well, I'm just gonna say it. You're kind of like. That is kind of true, so I'm just gonna.
Fuck you! Your turn, bitch!
I sell big fat cars for kids.
What? What?
I sell big fat.